Today, I'll show you how to create a Google Ads account. Google Ads lets you create online advertising campaigns for your business, website, product, app, or service. You can use it to show ads on Google Search, YouTube, websites, apps, and other Google advertising placements. First, open your browser and go to Google Ads. Click Start Now. Sign in with the Google account you want to use for advertising. If you do not already have a Google account, create one first, then return to Google Ads. After signing in, Google may ask for your business information. Enter your business name and website address. If you do not have a website yet, you may still be able to continue depending on the campaign type, but having a website is usually recommended. Next, Google Ads may guide you into creating your first campaign. Choose your advertising goal, such as getting more website visits, more phone calls, more store visits, or more sales. Now select the campaign type. Beginners may see a simplified setup, while advanced users can switch to expert mode for more control. If you want more campaign options, look for Switch to Expert mode. Next, choose your target location and language. This controls where your ads can appear and who can see them. After that, set your daily budget. Your budget controls how much you are willing to spend per day. Now create your first ad. Add headlines, descriptions, your website link, and any other required details. Review the ad carefully before continuing. Next, enter your billing information. Choose your country, time zone, payment method, and billing details. Make sure these settings are correct, because some billing settings cannot be changed later. After everything is reviewed, submit the setup. Your Google Ads account will now be created, and your campaign may go through review before ads start running. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Ads account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.